Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sublimate on 100% cotton t-shirts using the DTF powder hack. For this project, you are going to need a printer with sublimation ink. I am using my EPSON Ecotank printer with Hippo sublimation ink, DTF powder and film. I am using EPSON DTF powder and film. I'm going to link them in the video description down below if you would like to know more about it. Also, you're going to need a heat press, butcher paper, lint roller, and heat-resistant tape. I'm going to start by printing the design that I need to sublimate on the 100% cotton t-shirt. But before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I like to print the designs from the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you haven't used it yet and would like to learn how to print sublimation designs from Inkscape, I invite you to look for my tutorial in my channel. I am going to link it in the video description down below. Insert the image that you wish to print in the Inkscape Canva and resize it. Go to File, Document Properties, and first you're going to select the size of the paper that you're going to be printing. In this case, I'm going to be printing on A4 size. So I'm going to select that one and I'm going to click on Landscape and close this window. Now resize the image to fit on the page. Now resize the Canva. This design is from Creative Fabrica. If you would like to use it, look for the link in the video description down below. The design is ready to be printed. Go to File, click on Print, select the printer that you wish to use, click on Preferences. On paper source, I recommend you to select paper tray. Double check the document size. In this case, I am printing on A4 size. On paper type, you're going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, select High. Click on Print Preview if you wish, and then go to More Options and make sure you select Mirror Image. Click OK, then Print. If you selected Print Preview, before printing it's going to show you a preview. If it looks OK, click on Print. This is the transfer film I will be printing the design on. Like I mentioned before, is size A4. The front side is the printing side. Once you get it out, it will be a little difficult to identify. But I can tell that the matte side is the printing side and the glossy side is the back side. Now to print on this film is a little different. I have tried to print on the film only, but this is the result I got. So I tried to stick the film on a same size regular page and it worked perfect. So I used glue to stick the film to the regular page. I glue it only to the top and make sure they both are aligned. Also make sure the matte side is facing up. Now place the two layers on the back tray. Make sure the printing side is facing up. To print my sublimation designs, I am using my EPSON Ecotank ET15000 with Hippo sublimation ink. If you would like to learn to set up an EPSON Ecotank into a sublimation printer, look for my tutorial in my channel. I will link it in the video description down below. And here is the printed design. Try not to touch the printing area. Now we're going to move to the next step. Remove the back paper and place the printed design on a tray. Next, place the DTF powder on top of the design. Make sure you cover the entire image. Be generous and don't worry about putting too much powder. You can save the leftover and reuse it. Now remove the excess of powder and we're going to move to the next step. Preheat the heat press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the design under the heat for 50 seconds. Do not press, just add heat to melt the powder. And it's ready. As you can see, the colors are already activated. Now I'm going to press it on the cotton t-shirt. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt. Press the t-shirt for 15 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Also clean the surface using a lint roller. Now place the sublimation design on top of the t-shirt. Secure it with heat-resistant tape if you wish. And place a piece of parchment paper or butcher paper on top. Next, we're going to press at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 seconds. And here is the design already pressed on the cotton t-shirt. Let it cool down before removing the film. Let's reveal the design. It looks gorgeous. I love the colors. And it doesn't feel thick. It feels soft, just like if it was printed straight on the fabric. Remember, you may use this DTF Sublimation Hack to customize on 100% cotton t-shirts in light colors. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.